Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today I have a parcel from Ophelia Talks. Now Anya from Ophelia Talks has a autumn make-along and it's called Jam Jar of Happiness, and I purchased the yarn. Now last year, if you've been here a while, last year you know that I did the Lizzie Cal, and if you watch my lives, the background of the lives is the Lizzie blanket that I made. So when Anya does a couple of cals a year, but I prefer to do the autumn one then because I like to just take part, have a new blanket for the winter. So when she showed this one, it was amazing. So what I'm going to do, guys, all the links are below. She's going to have a soft introduction to the cal, and she's going to have a lookbook, and then it starts on the 23rd of September. Now last year it started on my birthday, which was the 24th. So this year it's the 23rd and it starts at 6 p.m. With the first tutorial, and it goes over 6 weeks, and she goes through it step by step with you, and I really enjoyed it. Now guys, I'm not, as you all know, I'm not a blanket lover per se. I like making wearables, but I enjoy giving the blankets as gifts. Like last year I did 2 blankets. I did the birthstone make along, which was a gift for my dad, and I did the Lizzie, which I gifted to my mum. So this year is going to be a gift for a special friend, and it will go with their decor. So I'm really excited. So this is going to be a gift for a friend. So I'm opening the bag. She says, I don't want to, let me see if I can get it. There we go. And look at all this scrummy rumshes. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous. And it comes in a nice organza bag, which I just love. And let's go through the colours, shall we? So I'll throw that out the way. And this year, last year we used Stylecraft DK, and this year we're going to be using Wendy Supreme DK. I've never used Wendy before. I did many years ago, and I've not used Wendy since. But it's always been a nice yarn, Wendy yarns, but this is absolute, and look at that green, guys. This is Spring Meadow. I'll tell you a little bit about the yarn. There's 295 meters, 322 yards. You use a 4mm knitting needle. Well, I'll use a 4mm hook. Let's see what else is there. It's 100 grams, and it's made in it's acrylic, 100% premium acrylic, and it's made in the UK, in Yorkshire. So that's one colour. So we've got the Spring Meadow, then we've got Mustard, then we've got Turquoise, we have got Teal, we have got Vintage Rose. You can see where the colours are going. And if you've not checked Ophelia Talks out before, check her out. And Anya, I interviewed Anya on August. A brilliant interview. She was wonderful. She was really friendly, and we had a really good natter, and we got on so well. This is Sea Green, and this is Eucalyptus. And what I'll do is I'll do a little video at the end and lay all the colours out. This one is pistachio, and this one is raspberry. Oh, I've just finished a blanket in raspberry. It's different raspberry, different makes, different firms have different raspberry colours. This is berry. Oh, coming on to my favourites now, autumnal. Cinnamon, isn't that beautiful? And we've got pumpkin. Oh, I love these colours. These are my favourites, guys. Gold. And we've got koala. Like the little koala bear. I used to love them when I was a child. And of course, mocha. And this is the blanket. Jam Jar Happiness is the blanket. And isn't that just gorgeous? I am so excited. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So what I'll do, guys, I know I'm mad. You got to have a little madness in this world, I do believe. So I'll do a little video shot after I've finished talking, and just so you can see all the colours together. I'm so excited. I could crush a grape. Okay guys, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.